Hi everyone. So, today this is Bsugar. I'm coming to you with DIY. Okay, ladies, let's take these old wigs because this is a wig I had about 2 years ago and everything. Let's take those old, units and, highlight them, prep them up for the fall because the fall is coming. Now this unit I had, it's in a 42730, and you can see that color and everything. And I decided to add some highlights, getting ready for the fall because I get a lot of wigs, and I wanted to add the color 99J, which is, more or less of a wine. I thought that would look really beautiful in it. But on the video, it's not going to be long because I know there's a lot that shows you people do the hot glue method or they do the, the quick weave glue method. But for me, I find the sewing method, better. Again, there are, different types of caps underneath your wigs, like this one here that I'm sewing on. It has the little, divides and stuff, which is more of an area cap and everything. And I took and I sewed the lace on there. I sewed the weft, that I had, the extra hair that I had. I sewed it right on it. Some people, they take and they sew it on each individual little lace part. But I'm going to show you this because I put it in a 99J, which I'm just going to be a beautiful color. But on this side, I wanted to show you, this is how I hook mine up. I usually take, I pin it on top of the weft going all the way around because I'm going to sew it all the way along that top weft, instead of sewing it on each of the little lace parts that are going up. Because like I said, there are a lot of different cap constructions and everything, because here is another cap. This one is not that, it's airy, but it's not, it doesn't have the little space in between. And if you're going to stitch it, you want to sew it right on there, going along on top of the hair with your, your bundles, your spare hair. You want to sew it right along because these, the J's, I don't get too many J's, but this one here, the 2730s, the 430s, those are like my colors. I try to step out my color zone all the time and everything, but like I said, it wasn't going to be a long video because I'm not going to get there and stitch because, you can find a whole lot of them on the tube. But if you want to see how this will come out and the beautiful colors mixed together, stay tuned, ladies. Like I said, let's get here and refresh those old units because after all, fall will be coming on and you want to slay, you want to look spicy. This one here, it has the lace part at the top, but we're going to get here and I really think this color is awesome, or it will be awesome together. So once again, thank you for watching. Like I said, I'm always stepping out my color zone because, of course, look at this. This is all slick. It came this way. But for the highlights, let's add those highlights, ladies. Let's slay for the fall that is coming on. And thank you for watching. Have a great day. And if you're new, you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe. Press that little button right there. Press it. Press it, ladies. Press it because you don't want to miss another thing coming. You don't want to miss another video. Thanks, ladies. Bye.